So today we're going to be reviewing division using the algorithm, and when we do the algorithm it's the same thing as long division for you parents that were asking, and we use a method called DMSBB, does McDonald's sell big burgers, which stands for divide, multiply, subtract, bring it down, and bring it back. So today we're going to divide 9 divided by 964. So when we do division, the first thing I ask the kids to do is look at what they're dividing by, which is 9, and they need to make their 9 lollipop. So the 9 lollipop looks like this, and everybody does it just a little bit different, but it's basically just writing out your 9 facts so that they're there for us when we need them. So we put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 down this side, and then it's just 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, 9 times 3 is 27, 9 times 4 is 36, 9 times 5 is 45, 9 times 6 is 54, 9 times 7 is 63, 9 times 8 is 72, and 9 times 9 is 81. So again, the trick for 9's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on this side, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on that side, and your kids should know that and be able to teach you that. So this is my 9 lollipop, and I'm using 9 because I'm dividing by 9. So the first thing I'm going to do is the D for divide. So I'm looking and I'm saying to myself, how many times can 9 go into 9 without going over? So I look at this side and look right here. Here's my 9, and it can go in 1 time. If I go 2 times, it's 18, which is too much. So 1 would go here, and I did by division, so I'm going to give it a check. The next one would be multiply. So I'm multiplying 9 times 1. 9 times 1 is 9. Giving it a check. Next step, S, subtract. So I'm subtracting. 9 minus 9 is 0. Next thing is bring it down. So I bring down my next number, which is 6. Check. Bring it back. I bring it back to my 9 and start all over. So I'm going back down this list again. 9 divided by 6. My first number is 9, so it cannot go into 6. So I'm going to put a 0. Check. M for multiply. 9 times 0 is 0. Check. Subtract. So I'm going to, I'm going to subtract right here. Lost my train of thought. 6 minus 0 is 6. Check. B for bring it down. So I bring my next number down. 4. And I'm bringing it back on up to the 9 to say how many times does 9 go into 64. So 9 goes into 64. So I'm looking for 64 over here as close as I can get to 64. So here's 63. If I go one more, it would be 72, so that's too many. So I would put 7, because that's how many times. So I divided. Now I'm multiplying 9 times 7. 9 times 7, I have it right here. 9 times 7 is 63. Next step, subtract. 64 minus 63 is 1. Bring it down. There's nothing to bring down, so I know that I am done. So I stop there, and I know I have a remainder of 1. So my answer is 107, remainder 1.